Welcome to Songs of Purpose.
Golden light on ordinary days. Somehow everything feels held in place. I didn't see it, but you were there. In quiet moments and answered prayers, you filled the spaces I ran through. Now I can finally feel you. There's food on the table, peace in the air, a gentle reminder you're always there. In every detail I pass by, you've been faithful all my life. I was searching far and wide, not knowing you were by my side. Life is better with you in it. Every heartbeat, every minute. You're my joy, my open sky, the reason I feel so alive. You're my father, strong and kind. You stayed when the world passed by. I will lift my voice and sing, Jesus, you are everything. Jesus, you are everything. You saw me lost, you saw my pain. Still you called me by my name. You wore the cross I couldn't hold, turned my broken into gold. And I don't have the words to say for love that never fades away, but I will live my life to show you're the only truth I know. Not just in the highs I feel, even in the still you're real. Life is better with you in it. Every heartbeat, every minute. You're my peace, my melody, the rhythm running through me. You're my shelter, you're my song. You've been with me all along. I will lift my voice and sing, Jesus, you are everything. Thank you for the air I breathe, for every good thing I receive, for my family, for this day, for your love that always stays. In the quiet, in the light, you have turned my wrong to right. And with everything I bring, you will always be my king. Not a crown of gold I see, but your life alive in me. Life is better with you in it. Every breath feels like a gift. You're my joy, my endless sky, the reason I'm alive. You're my savior, you're my friend. You'll be with me to the end, so I'll sing it endlessly. Jesus, you are King. Stay with me. Don't let me go. You're the only home I know.
Thank you for listening. Please subscribe and ring the bell.